Tension arose at the resumption of the Senate investigation into the controversial Makati City Hall 2 parking building after two spokesmen of Vice President Jejomar Binay came uninvited and tried to speak at the hearing.
Can I ask if Mr. Bautista is a resource person?
No, he's not. Attorney Bautista, please,
Good morning, Chair.
please take your proper place.
We do not allow gate crashing in this hearing, sir, and you're not allowed to speak. So please,
Mr. Chairman, good morning.
Sir Bautista, you are not a resource
I would like
person.
to state that...
Sir Chair, may I ask the Sergeant of Arms to remove Mr.
Please stop.
Mr. Chairman, it has to be recognized.
Mr. Chairman, Congressman is also not a resource person. They can write the committee, they can, but they cannot gate crash a... He is a congressman, he knows the rules of the Senate and the House. If you wish to write the committee, but you cannot just raise your hands here and come when you're not a resource person. You write a letter to us, then we will do.
Okay, as a compromise, I will declare a recess and I will talk to the two of you to find out. After this recess or...
Mr. Mercado, sorry medical records. Na-hospital ka.
Okay, so...
Mr. Chair, the point here, Mr. Chairman, is that the two gentlemen, or the spokesman of the Vice President, does not have any authority to speak in behalf of the Vice President. In the huddle, I went over to them and I asked them, meron po ba kayong sulat na ino-authorize kayo ng Vice President na magsalita kayo para sa kanila? Wala daw po. So ang problema po, magsasalita sila dito, pag mali yung sinabi, sasabihin ng Vice President, spokesman ko lang nagsabi yan, hindi totoo yan. So the Vice President's representatives, or he himself, is welcome here, Mr. Chairman, if they give us a letter saying that the Vice President authorizes them. If not, Mr. Chair, they are mere spectators, and unfortunately with 100 million Filipinos, we cannot allow anyone and everyone to speak, especially if it's not their personal knowledge, no?
We have a very important piece of evidence that will prove to all that the ongoing hearings of the subcommittee is nothing but a sham. Puro sinungaling po ang mga testigo nila. And we will prove that now. Kung gaano kasinungaling itong si Mercado, si Bundal, at lahat ho ng mga pinauupo nila dyan.
Noong nakaraang hearing, sinabi ho ni former Vice Mayor Mercado na kung mapapatunayan ho na siya ay na-hospital, willing ho siya na strike off the records lahat ng kanyang sinabi, natatandaan niyo ho yun. So ano ibig sabihin ng stricken off the records? Ibig sabihin ng stricken off the records, lahat ng sinasabi niya ay hindi na isasama at kasinungalingan. So ipapakita namin sa inyo yung ebidensya na na-hospital siya.
Arvin Mendoza, reporting for Inquirer.net.